Hi guys, Sasha here from TT Liquor. Today we're going to show you a non-alcoholic version of our Mex on the Beach, which features on our new cocktail masterclass menu. And for this, we teamed up with the guys from Caleño, which is a beautiful non-alcoholic spirit. It has everything you want flavor-wise, but with no alcohol in it. So it's a tasty little number, and I hope you're going to enjoy it. See you soon.
Alright guys, it's Kay, back here at TT Liquor to show you how to make the alcohol-free version of our Mex on the Beach, which is a kind of little tequila twist on a sex on the beach. For this one, in place of tequila, we got some of this Caleño Light and Zesty tropical non-alcoholic spirits. And I want about 30 mils of my Caleño. And we're going to do about 20 mils of our peach syrup. And I want about 30 mils of my pineapple juice. And I want about 20 mils of the cranberry. So I'm just going to go ahead and fill this up with cubed ice, wrap the tin on, big old spot, give that a shake for around about 10 seconds. Fantastic, pop that open. And I'll strain that right into the glass like so. And then I'm just going to fill that with some fresh cubed ice. And I'll just pop one of those down the side. And that is our alcohol-free Mex on the Beach, ready to drink.